In this video, we shall see how to solve the logarithmic equation log base 5 of x plus log base 7 of x equaling to log base 25 of x. Now notice that the logs have different bases, so how can we solve this? First of all, let's take this to the left hand side. So we shall have log base 5 of x plus log base 7 of x minus log base 25 of x, and this will be equal to 0. And from the rules of logarithms, whenever you have, let's say, log base a of b, this is the same as log b divided by log a. So we shall express our equation in the same way. This will give us log of x divided by log of 5 plus log of x divided by log of 7, and then minus log of x divided by log of 25, and this is equal to 0. And as you can see, log of x is a common factor, so let's pull it out. So we shall have log of x into, this will be 1 divided by log of 5, and then plus 1 divided by log of 7, and then minus 1 divided by log of 25, and this is equal to 0. And at this point you can see that this part is a constant. So to find x, let's set log of x to be equal to 0. So we shall have log of x equaling to 0. And we know that the default base of logarithms is 10. So this can also be written as log base 10 of x equaling to 0. And from the rules of logarithms, whenever you have, let's say, log base a of b equaling to c, then b will be equal to a to the power of c. Therefore, x will be equal to 10 raised to the power of 0. So we shall have x equaling to 10 to the power of 0. And we know that any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. Therefore, x equals to 1. And if you want, you can prove this. Let's put x equals to 1 into this. So we shall have log of x, which is 1, and then times 1 divided by log of 5 plus 1 divided by log of 7, and then minus 1 divided by log of 25, and this should be equal to 0. Now if you put log of 1 into the calculator, you'll find that it is equal to 0. And we know that anything times 0 will be equal to 0. So this will be 0 equaling to 0. Therefore, x equals to 1 is a true value of x. So that's how you can solve such a logarithmic equation. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.